Hey my boos, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, y'all, we come to y'all with a SHEIN wig, okay? A wig from SHEIN. So you telling me I can get clothes, shoes, accessories, and my wig from the same place? Okay, sign me up. Okay, y'all, so today, like I said, we come to y'all with a SHEIN wig. My client paid $150 for a 20H deep wave wig. Like, stop playing. And it was good quality, as y'all can see. Like, it came out bomb. So stay tuned for the rest of the video to see how we installed it.
You the baddest I done seen in a while, oh my. You the baddest I done seen in a while, oh my shorty, oh.
Why am I whispering like that? Let's start over one more time. Period. Hello. Hi everybody. Bro, I'm just trying to put this in the video. I'll be like, you know what? We just saying hey. We just say
Period. I love when all my class be goofy and all that. And here y'all is seeing behind the scenes of our TikTok, okay? If you haven't seen our TikTok, go watch it. You can follow both of our TikToks right here, both on the screen. But okay, y'all, so in today's video, it's going to be more about the preparation of having a client. And basically also too, I'm here to give y'all a big tip that I recently came across that I definitely do now. Within the last 2 weeks, my installs have definitely became so much better because of this tip. So if you want this tip, you gotta wait and watch until I give it out in the video. But here, y'all, I am just going back to the basics, showing y'all how I start off my braided down foundations. So sometimes I just like to go ahead and part out where I feel like how many braids each client needs, because everybody's head is like different shaped and different length and all that. So you need to do like real small braids for, you know, some longer and like wider shaped head clients, and then, you know, we got the smaller ones where you can get away with just a couple. So here y'all see I'm very precise when it comes to parting. Like, I don't know, it's just like I just love preparation, making sure everything is neat, secure, and the braids tight, all of that. So what I do is I like to use the Got2B Black Gel in the front of the edges, and I just like to brush up those edges right up into the braid. As y'all can see, I just like to part off if I am about to do stitch braids, and I just continue on braiding. I think I did about 6 braids maybe on each side. As y'all can see, I did split her head or her hair into 2 halves because I like to do the same amount of braids on each side just to make everything uniform and all, you know, the same. So yeah, y'all would just see me just finish up her braided pattern, and we gonna get into the rest of the install.
Up in the sky, champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I won't change by the levels. Ooh, flowers. Look, golden diamond rings, all them things don't mean a thing. Chaperones and limousines, shopping for expensive things. I be on the movie screens, magazines and bougie scenes. I'm not clean, I'm not pristine. I'm no queen, I'm no shame. I still go to Taco Bell, drive through Rose Hill. I don't care, I'm still real. No matter how many records I sell. After the show, after the Grammys, I like to go cool out with the family, sipping reminiscing on days when I had a Mustang and now first class. Up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I won't change by the levels. Ooh, flowers. First class, up in the sky, popping champagne, living my life in
y'all, so here is the wig. This is how it was looking. First of all, the hair was super soft, like super soft. It was transparent lace, not my face, not the HD, but it still gave what it needed to give. All the knots did bleach as well, so kudos to that, Shein. Okay, like everything was looking real good, and I just texted her and she said that the wig is still in good condition. So if y'all ever need y'all like a cheap little affordable wig that's, you know, good for, you know, a short amount of time, y'all go ahead and go to Shein's website and go ahead and get y'all the wig plus y'all's fits and everything else too. So here y'all will see I went ahead and plucked the wig and I just showed y'all how it looked, and now I'm about to go in with the makeup. So what's weird is I ended up using the other shade on the other side when I feel like I should have just stayed with the shade that I showed y'all. I don't even know why I did that, but it still came out bomb, as y'all can see. But I also say that too because I feel like if you use a slightly shade darker tone than what you or your client is, well, I would say with using IMASLAYYOBAE glue, I feel like using a slightly shade darker tone, it just helps the color even blend even more versus you using the exact color on spot. I mean, it does depend. I would say definitely when working with transparent lace, I feel like this is key versus HD lace. I feel like with you using your exact color, that is perfect as well. That's fine as well. But maybe with working with transparent lace, try using a slightly dark shade, a slightly darker shade than what you are to just help everything blend in even better.
I got money in the bank and I really like to thank all my fans. I like to thank you really though. 'Cause I remember yesterday when I dreamt about the days when I rock on MTV. That really told. Damn, it's been a long road and the industry is cold. I'm glad my daddy told me so. He let us.
Okay, y'all, so here I am putting the makeup on the wig, and one tip I can give is that when working with transparent lace, you are very prone to missing some spots of getting the makeup all over the lace, if that makes any sense. So basically what I'm trying to say is you need to literally make sure all of the lace in front is literally covered. Like, I'm gonna screenshot and show y'all right here what I mean. Like, y'all need to make sure the lace is completely covered. Like, if you go in with your first layer and you still see some white ashy spots on the lace, you need to go back in with the makeup, put some, you know, under the wig and on top in order to get that full coverage to really get the makeup everywhere where it needs to be, so it can blend perfectly when you lay down. So yeah, that's tip number one. So here y'all will just see I am customizing her hairline. I'm making sure the wig is fitting. Don't worry, y'all, it literally only gets blurry in a few spots. The rest of the video is clear. But so yes, here I just like to make sure that the hairline is coming up, you know, far enough, good enough. If not, we can always, you know, customize the front in order for it to, you know, fit perfectly. Here y'all will see that I did have to bring both sides up more in order for the wig to lay nice and flat for her hairline. So here what I like to do is I just like to part right here at the back of the wig where the frontal and the actual wig itself is connected and made, and I just like to cut that off because first of all, nobody is going to see this part, and second of all, this is how you make your wigs fit. If you feel like your wigs are too tight, this is why, and this is how you can make it fit. No matter how tight or small you feel the wig may be, as long as you do this step to make the lace move back and forth more for you on the sides to make it more adjustable for you, this is how you do it. And then you can proceed to cut off your ear tabs so everything could fit nice and smoothly, just like that.
I remember yesterday when I dreamt about the days when I rock on MTV. That really told. Damn, it's been a long road and the industry is cold. I'm glad my daddy told me so. He let his daughter know. My daddy told me so. He let his daughter know. My daddy told me so. He let his daughter know. My daddy told me
Okay, y'all, so if y'all have been watching my previous videos, y'all already know my method. Y'all already know my meltdown process. But in today's video, I'm here to give y'all a big tip that I have recently came across. Now, this gonna sound, you know, common sense to some people, but no. So, y'all, the tip is to really make sure y'all are doing thin layers. Like even thinner than what you guys see me doing in this video. Like the install still came out bomb and she still left the whole install and all that good stuff, but no, even do thinner layers than what you guys see me applying here today. And I say this because like it just makes your install so much flatter, so much more crispier, just so much more better than applying those thick like you know, like just don't do the thick layers of glue. Like just don't do it. Do them real thin, and I promise you your install gonna come out 10 times better. I will be posting my recent work come up here soon, so y'all can follow me at ThatGirlKay on Instagram, and y'all will see my new installs. My booking link will also be opened up very soon for September. But yeah, as y'all can see right here, I'm basically saying too much glue right here. Y'all need to go in with even thinner layers in this. But okay, y'all, let's continue on to the video, and yeah, I'll be back.
Up in the sky, champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I won't change by the lemons, ooh, flowers. I got problems up to here, I got people in my ear telling me these crazy things that I don't wanna know. I got money in the bank and I really like to thank all the fans. I like to thank you really though. 'Cause I remember yesterday when I dreamt about the days when I rock on MTV. That's really told. Damn, it's been a long road and the industry is cold. I'm glad my daddy told me so. He let his daughter know. My daddy told me so. He let his daughter know.
Okay, y'all, as y'all will see here, I am starting the styling process. Like I said in my previous video, I just like to go ahead and part off wherever my client wants her part at, and then I start to mold that area, although I may have to, you know, redo the part once I take off the band. But another tip I can give as well is, like, I really just started just like becoming more intentional, I guess I'll say, with the wax stick, the Sebastian spray followed by the hot comb. Like, really, to get it really flat, you gotta really get that product up in there and work that hot comb in there really slow. I do like to take, like, you know, quick little like 20-second breaks, because I personally don't want to burn my client's scalp. I don't know about other stylists, but I'll be feeling their pain. So as long as you're taking like quick little breaks here and there, you can still get it real nice and flat. And I even tried to get it flatter than this as well at the end. But as y'all can see now, the band is off, and now we're finna get into the rest of the install. I'm not even finna cap to y'all. This was like my second time recording in the shop or with my camera, and I ran out of storage getting down to the edges. But as y'all can see, I still recorded all the way until the end until I could, and then I was able to at least record the ending result. So y'all just continue to watch the rest. Thank you so much if you made it this far, and I will see y'all in next week's tutorial. See y'all.
People in my ear telling me these crazy things that I don't wanna know. I got money in the bank, and I really like to thank all the fans. I like to thank you really though. 'Cause I remember yesterday when I dreamt about the days when I rock on MTV. That we really told. Damn, it's been a long road, and the industry is cold. I'm glad my daddy told me so. He let his daughter know. My daddy told me so.
Betters on the scene on the wall, oh my. You the betters on the scene on the wall, oh my shorty, oh.